Welcome to Quiz and Learning Channel. SI unit of force is A. Newton, B. Joule, C. Watt, D. Pascal. Answer. Option A. Newton. Force that opposes motion is A. Magnetic force, B. Frictional force, C. Gravitational force, D. Electrostatic force. Answer. Option B. Frictional force. Which of the following is not a contact force? A. Friction, B. Tension, C. Gravitation, D. Normal reaction. Answer. Option C. Gravitation. A car covers 60 km in 1 hour. Its average speed is A. 10 km per hour, B. 30 km per hour, C. 60 km per hour, D. 120 km per hour. Answer. Option C. 60 km per hour. An unbalanced force produces A. No motion, B. Acceleration, C. Uniform velocity, D. Constant speed. Answer. Option B. Acceleration. The force of attraction between Earth and objects is called A. Magnetic force, B. Gravitational force, C. Nuclear force, D. Friction. Answer. Option B. Gravitational force. A push or pull on a body is called A. Momentum, B. Force, C. Pressure, D. Power. Answer. Option B. Force. If a body is moving with uniform velocity, its acceleration is A. 0, B. 1, C. Constant, D. Infinite. Answer. Option A. 0. Friction converts mechanical energy into A. Kinetic energy, B. Electrical energy, C. Heat energy, D. Sound energy. Answer. Option C. Heat energy. Which factor does not affect friction? A. Nature of surfaces, B. Mass of body, C. Area of contact, D. Normal force. Answer. Option C. Area of contact. Which law explains wearing a seatbelt? A. Newton's first law, B. Newton's second law, C. Newton's third law, D. Kepler's law. Answer. Option A. Newton's first law. Which is not an effect of force? A. Change speed, B. Change shape, C. Change state of motion, D. Change mass. Answer. Option D. Change mass. Work done is 0 when A. Force is applied, B. Object moves, C. Force is perpendicular to displacement, D. Object moves in direction of force. Answer. Option C. Force is perpendicular to displacement. If net force on a body is 0, then the body A. must be at rest, B. must be moving, C. may be at rest or uniform motion, D. will accelerate. Answer. Option C. may be at rest or uniform motion. A machine exerts a force without contact. It must be A. lever, B. magnet, C. pulley, D. wheel. Answer. Option B. magnet. Force per unit area is A. work, B. pressure, C. power, D. density. Answer. Option B. pressure. Thanks. Subscribe my channel.